Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Trophy Wife. I really like this product because it's so versatile. I can put on very little makeup and add this highlighter, and immediately will give me this beautiful glow that it will last me all day long and give me this look of a sun-kissed, bronzy look. It has a really strong pigmentation, so a little bit can go a really long way. You can see it has a really nice sparkle, so I do like to add this as an eyeshadow or as a highlighter on my nose or sometimes on my cheeks for a full glam. It's such a versatile product that it can go over my eyebrows for more of a bronzy look. So I'm really in love with this product. And that's my point of view.